this video we will see uh, complete tag structure in any HTML page. So I will write just sample.html, and to use the tags, so we will write some basic first starting tag HTML, and we will have another tag body tag, which will the text inside that body tag will be displayed on the web page. If I open sample, so it shows nothing because we don't have anything inside our body tag. And if I write paragraph, this is paragraph, so actually we have paragraph tag inside the body, so we will able to see that. And what if we want to display here something, now it is actually displaying the file name. So we have sample.html and it is displaying file name here. So to display it, we have to write title tag, and the text inside the title will be displayed here. So we will write home. Suppose this is a home page, consider, and if we refresh, you will see that it is turned into a home. So the right manner to include this is using the head tag. So this is a right way to some basic HTML page, the very starting of the HTML page. So we have HTML tag, then we have head tag, and inside the head tags we can include the other links, and if we are using some Google fonts and fetching it and using in our web page, so we can link them here, link relation, and we can type addresses to them, addresses, CDN links here, and we have to do this all stuff before closing the head tags. And then our body tag starts, and the text inside this will be displayed on the web page. Now of course the text outside this HTML tags and other things, this is outside. You can also see that this will also be displayed on the web page, because this complete file will be fetched by the browser. So of course it will display, but it is not a good idea to use random text anywhere, because it is difficult to control that text. Suppose I will write here pen, and how I can fetch this pen? Suppose I have to increase the font size of this, or I want to include this in the division, so I cannot really control this element. So I will write this in structured manner, so I can have control over element and I can control it. So that's it for the tags.